New strongest movement technique. Okay, yeah, now it works. I was muted. That's good. Next thing, I need to answer some comments first. Boom, one comment. Okay, that's nice. Everything answered. Okay, so I can close this now, right? Yes, I think I can. And I can finally show you my screen, no? Like this. Okay. Okay. 0, 0, 0, 0. And now the question is, shouldn't it be a bit lower, or is that okay? I think that maybe it's okay. Okay, but it should be on what? On like scale 0, right? Yeah, I think so. And now to this script. Let's play some music now. I like some music. Let's play some music. What kind of music I'm gonna play? Oh, Warriors. This is a good music. I like Warriors. Oh, I have my telephone now because I left it at the toilet. You know, guys, I was doing some stuff at the toilet. I was browsing my phone, and that's how it went. Yeah. We have some music now. That's great. Let's go. Why don't you see my face? Okay, nice. You see me now, right? Let's go. So what I want to do is to like have a sphere scan instinct that will grow when I use the cut instinct skill, and it will highlight all enemies that it passes. So by enemies I mean like policemen or the other cats that you can like have sexual intercourse with, right? So what will happen is like this sphere will grow. Okay, but because the scale is 0, I guess it doesn't want to grow, yeah. And like this, like everything will get scanned. You see, it like scans the map, and it will highlight the enemies that way. So I think we need to make it like 0, 1 maybe. No, I would really prefer like 0 though. And this sphere scan instinct, I can already add it to the correct place. So like sphere, yeah, let's go this place. And now we are gonna like make it bigger and bigger, but I will need to like use ChatGPT for that. Okay, Mr. GPT, please help me. I would like maybe a dotwin? Maybe a dotwin to make this? Dotwin would be like the best one, I think so. But right now ChatGPT has some problems with like logging me in. Okay, I will need to refresh it, and I will need to take some water into my mouth. Because remember guys, you really need to drink a lot. Let's go like this. First things I take is this. Okay. Wow, it was really fucking gross. Okay, so the scale of this game object from 0 to, yeah, so how big I want it? Maximum. So at maximum I think it would be like 100, okay. So like from 0 to 100, and after 100 make it instantly become 0 again. Okay, Mr. GPT has helped me. I can show you guys, I guess, how great it looks. So I wanted something like that, and it got me like a full bit of a program I wanted, and it actually uses coroutine. I can even like ask it like, can you make it using Dotwin? And I can compare how I like the Dotwin version to how I like the normal version, and let's see what will be the thing that I like more. So with Dotwin, it's yes, okay, so I like the Dotwin version more, you see, because I like Dotwin, I use a lot of Dotwin, sorry, not Dotwin, Dotwin, and yeah, like coroutines are cool and all, but like Dotwin is much better for me. So I'm just gonna yoink this from ChatGPT. I'm just gonna like maybe like have it here and just run it. I like to like declare my functions if it's like private or not. So I'll use this and turn on highlights. Yeah, I don't want this because this is obsolete. So I'll delete this. I will make this thing pink here. And scale speed, yeah, I need this. So I'll just take the scale speed and insert it right there. Is 2 correct? I think that's too fast, but we'll try to start with that. Yeah, we have scale, we have do scale, yeah, we have correct vectors, and scale object. Restart the scaling. No, I don't want to restart the scaling. Okay, so he didn't understand me here, but that's okay. And that's everything I really want, because the rest will happen in the cat scanner thingy. Oh, I have some errors. What's this? Turn off highlight. Yes. I need this. I need this. I need this. I need like a highlight manager. Do I have something like that? No, I don't. Okay. Highlight manager. And we will make a new script. Which system it will be? Without system, without folder, okay. Highlight manager. Highlight manager and highlight manager. Oh wait. Okay, so we actually like already have highlight manager, okay? Yeah, okay, so instead of highlight manager, where is it? This is the place, right? So I delete this one. I didn't know about this. Yeah, delete this. So I'll like make like instinct highlight manager, I guess, or like all the names are pretty shitty, but like cut instinct manager. Okay, something like that then. And after it compiles, I will make it here. So like cut in. Are you compiling or not? Okay, you are not compiling because of this. Yeah, so I will just make it like this for a second. Now please compile. Please compile. Count instinct manager. Yeah, that's great. And now what we want to do is, first of all, we want to make a singleton out of it. Okay, but I see that my Visual Studio got disconnected. That means I need to like close it and open it again. I don't know why, but it happens a lot with the newest Visual Studio. So don't update it if it works for you, the version before this. And what we want to do, first thing, we want to turn it into a singleton of cut instinct manager. Yeah, that's correct. And now I think we just want to like make a list of highlights, no? Of highlight effects, right? And maybe like make this list actually like private. And what we do is we like make a functions to like reset highlights, and the function of like add highlighted. Okay, and in add highlighted, of course we want to add a highlight effect, and this highlighted objects, yeah, exactly this. And in reset highlights we want to like go through whole list, disable all highlights, clear list. And now I take this, I go to ChatGPT, I just enter it, press enter, and in just a second I will have my code back. Okay, let's go. So right now the reset highlights, that looks pretty good. We have the clearing list, disable highlights, okay. But with the highlight effect we need to use something different, right? In the card scanner we have, I think, like set highlighted, yeah. So we will use this. Set highlighted to like false. And it looks good. Okay, so we will need to like do add highlighted from the cut instinct manager. So like cut instinct manager instance, add highlighted, and we want to add the highlights. Yes. Yeah, do we want like trigger exceed? Not really, right? Yeah, I don't think we care about this. So we want also to like make a reset, and this is what we had here. So this will be cut instinct manager instance and reset highlights. Yeah, and that will make all the highlights disappear. Yeah, so what can I tell you? Like, let's test it, I guess, right? But I have no highlights on the cut NPCs. So I need to like go to the cut NPCs and is this the place where I wanna add highlight? I think it is. Right? This is like the best place I can add highlight, right? What profile? Oh, I have no idea. I have no idea. Okay, let me check with the what? With the policeman maybe? So highlight plus profile. Okay. So NPC cut. Okay, let's collapse all that. Highlight plus profile. Okay. It looks good to me. I will need to like have a new profile so it has another color, but who cares? Okay, so let's do it like this. And now we test it. That's the console, so we can see if we have any errors. Because I guess we'll have errors. But you never know before you test, right? Sometimes stuff just works. Not like a lot of time, but sometimes. So we should hope that it will work first time, this time, no? Okay, we have some friends, and now we go cut instinct. And of course, like nothing happens. Cut instinct. Attack action. Wait, attack action. It's this button. Okay, I can see that it like started, but like why the cooldown is not going back, huh? Like the cooldown is not working. Cut instinct is properly connected. So like where is the cut instinct cooldown? Yeah, cut instinct cooldown is not really going. So like why? Because of the highlight active. Is that right? Yes. We need to set the highlight active to true and then to false. But to false we already have? No, we don't have, so we'll need to do this in this place. Okay. So, is highlight active? We need to change it to... Wait. I have no scaling also, right? Yeah, so what we need to do is we need to set it to true here, and also we need to make the scaling work by setting it up here. And I guess something will need also a rigid body, right? Because the collisions will not register without it. And we need to set it also to false. Please show me the references. I want to go here. Okay, yeah, I will need to make this. I don't like doing this, but like, yeah, let's go. And false. Okay, and now what do we do? Rigid body, we need rigid body, but where do we add the rigid body? I guess the sphere is better, right? Because it will be like only one rigid body compared to like having, I don't know, like 30 of them. Okay, but I hope it will work with like a kinematic rigid body. So I will add like rigid body here and kinematic, no gravity. Can I like zero mass? And no, I can't make, okay. But it will be like, yeah, I don't need anything. Kinematic, interpolate, no, collision detection. Discrete, is this good enough? I would prefer like dynamic though. Yeah, maybe it's like just me, but it's that. Okay, so we actually scan like with the attack button. That's good to know. That's like left mouse button. Okay, let's go. Okay. That's not what was supposed to happen. Okay, let me check. So like, is that it's private? Okay, I don't like stuff like that private. Let's try seeing it public, but first, cut instinct is not going down. Is select active? Wait, why is it not? We are missing this, but for instinct, right? Yes, we are missing this, but for instinct. Let me copy this. Wait, because we have like seed here. It's sex, seed, and that's all, okay. So we grab this one, insert it here, this one, insert it here, and we make it like this, and like this, and like this. And the second seed, we want to replace it with instinct. That should work now, right? At least I hope so. Okay, let's go. And we start, and I guess our character collided with the sphere, but I have no idea why. Like that's really good question. Like why it collided? Because it really looked like it collided. I have seriously like no idea why. Is trigger, yeah. So why it collided? Like, am I missing something? I mean, of course I'm missing something, but like, trigger should never collide. I will need to like check if it's still trigger when I'm in the scene. Maybe it changes somehow, no? Yeah, let's check it out. Okay, we already have like a cut scanner problem. Look. Oh, we don't have cut instinct. Is that why? Let me see. No, we have cut instinct. The list is not initialized. Yes, the list is not initialized. Okay, so that's obviously what we need to do. But also like, it's trigger, yes. Okay, I know it won't work. But it's still like, whew, flies me out. Okay, so first of all, we need to initialize the list. And nothing easier. Yeah, just like that, with normal creator. Yeah, so like it throws me up in the air and stuff like this. Yeah, maybe I will just try without the rigid body, but I don't think it will work. The player has rigid body, but the NPC doesn't have rigid body. Well, the easiest thing I can do is just set it to like a different layer, right? So like I can just add a layer, no player call, and now name this sphere to no player call, and now I can just go to the physics settings and no player call with, well, like anything, I guess, just NPC cards. Yeah, that's not like the cleanest way to fix that. I mean, I'm not saying it's not clean, especially in such a small game, but you know, I would prefer like knowing why does the trigger pop me up in the air, you know? So that's the real question, like really real question. It still does it. What? But at least the cooldown disappeared. Like, what's going on with this sphere? Everything is 0 on it. And it's not even growing. It looks like the left mouse button is sending me in the air. Like, the sphere is not happening. Yeah, look, the scale doesn't change, like nothing happens with the sphere. What if I were to like... Yeah, it's not sphere. Wow, what makes me jump then? Oh man. Attack action. It's just using the cut instinct, right? Wait. No. Because it's only when I'm... Yeah. Oh, that's why. Yeah, of course that makes sense. Oh. Yes, sometimes you need to like control your ChatGPT so it doesn't do stupid stuff like that. I don't know why he didn't understand that, but yeah. So I guess like AI is not ready to program my games for me. If it makes stuff like this, that was pretty stupid. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, so that works. And the highlight disappeared. Yeah, that's nice, that's nice. Okay. I don't know why this jump is normal, but this jump is like super laggy. I don't really know why. Ah, I know why, because it's in update, not in physics update, right? Yeah, that makes sense actually. Okay, so let me like throw the highlight. It's too big, like the intersection is like everywhere. It shouldn't be everywhere, right? It should be only on the objects it intersects with, not on the skybox. Yeah, just thinking. Yeah, it like works on full skybox, I don't know why. There are not even like buildings like that anywhere, you know? What is that intersecting with? Like that's super weird. Oh man. It's really growing to 100 though. Oh. Why is it working like this? Is it because I'm inside the sphere? And... Oh, maybe that's why. Okay, because when I'm outside the sphere... Yeah, it works normally, you see? But when I'm inside the sphere maybe... No, it still works normally. Yeah, everything works normally now. Because it's only on the intersection. So it like totally makes sense. But look, when I'm cut... Yeah, like what's going on when I'm cut? Like what are all those things? You see that? It's like... It's like reflection probe, maybe? Is that possible that it's like reflection probe? That's why it's working only on the camera, not on the scene camera, right? On the scene camera it's working. But here I have like... Yeah, so what if instead of blend probes I just go off? Yeah, dynamic occlusion, off with the shadows. Transparent, alpha, both, depth right, depth test, alpha clipping, cast shadows, no. It kinda looks like the probes though. It really looks like probes. Depth test. Maybe less? I don't know because I don't think it's like any of those settings. Yeah, I'm just changing stuff that I shouldn't really change. Render face, yeah, I'm sure of that. Why is it looking different from inside? Look how weird it is. It's like showing stuff that's not even here. It's like totally not working. For it to work I would need to be like, I don't know, like something like that I would need to be, I don't know. So like the intersection works with the scene camera but not with the game camera. Oh man. That's bad. I had no idea it can be like that. Why it's not working with the game camera? That's a tough nut. What the hell? Like, how do I fix that?
Around, and then I have
Yeah, I have the same problem. This is the problem I have. So maybe change the material to lead, huh? I would prefer unlead, and it looked pretty cool. But let's try it. Let's try it. I think that really is the problem. The way that camera renders it. Because in the scene view it looks perfect. Well, that's the problem with some tutorials for programming, like they show you stuff that they hadn't really tested in like a ready product. Yeah, it still doesn't work. If you do a tutorial, everything is good until you start to like use it in like a real scenario.
Today we are going to see how an intersection shader works. I think it's an important technique to know, and it's very useful for when creating shields, barriers or force fields for when they are intersecting with geometry around. which is exactly what I did on these videos, but I actually never explained it in depth how intersection shader works. So let's jump right into this. I just want to say that these videos are possible thanks to my patrons, and if you want to support me, I left the link below, and you will get access to a huge library of visual effects that you can use in your games. And before we proceed, it's important to note that in the Universal Render pipeline, and we must go to Edit and Project Settings. So in Graphics, you can find your scriptable render pipeline object.
Hello, SoloQ, hello. I'm having some problems with this sphere. It is like a scanner, you know, so I want to like scan enemies with this effect, as you can see. But while it looks good in the scene view, when I'm going to the game view, it looks like really buggy, and it really shouldn't look like that. I'm searching for like fixes to that, but I have like it's hard time to finding it. Reflections. Yeah, that might be reflections. But like, if I do this, disable reflections. Is there a type of a material that doesn't have any reflections? Transparent, alpha render, both. Def auto, yeah. Nice. Yeah, I don't know if having problems is nice, bro. I'm basically dying with this problem. When you back once human, I don't know, bro. I don't know. Like when they fix the lags. I mean, I saw that there is not like a lot of lags in the new mode. But I don't know. I would need like some more time. Right now, as you can see, I'm working on this freaking shit. But it's not going that well. Like, it's going very well, but like the problem I have here, like, yeah, it's reflections. So like maybe can I disable reflections on this? I don't know. But does this look like really like reflections? I'm also not sure. Yeah, depth texture, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Of course it is. Like, maybe it's not, let's check it, but like, I'm pretty sure it is enabled. Yeah, I have enabled it. Everything is correct. Make once human too. I would like, man, I wish. The problem is, where would I get the players, you know? Even if I make an MMO, no one would play my fucking MMO because I have like no access to like get players to play my games, you know? That's the problem for me. One time I made a multiplayer FPS game, of course with bots, so you can like at least shoot at someone, but like almost half of the reviews I got was like, no one is playing this game, actually focus on making people play this game, not like update the game, like we don't care about your updates, you need like more players so we can like fight with them. And the problem is like, how can I make more players play the game? That's like the hard part, you know? So of course I can make like once human 2 without lags, like, well, it would take like, I guess like 3 years or something, but yeah, I can make that, but like, how can I make people play that? That's the problem. in the shader. No way. No way. So it's not working for him because of depth texture, but for me I have depth texture. What might be another problem here? Let me see this. I don't need it all. I mean, it works correct in scene, right? Anti-aliasing. What? No way, right? Yeah. Solo queue. I wish I had cash for advertisements or like financing a specific company, bro. Like I guess everyone wishes he had like finances for advertisement, you know? If I would have cash for advertisement, the first thing I would do, I would make myself a celebrity and like I would sell my bathwater or something. Wait, so what did this guy write? Anti-aliasing in the rendering camera. Okay, let's try this. So he was like the SMA or TAA? Pick S. Where is it? SMAA, right? Yeah, it's still not working. Wait, I don't have post-processing open, so yeah, it's still not working though. Maybe TAA. No, it's some other problem. Of course it's not that, like that would be like way too easy. Like my problems always need to be like super complicated. It's never that easy with my problems. Like my problems are always the freaking problems that are like 0.0001% problems. Did you play Will to Live online? I feel like I'm trying to play Will to Live right now, but no, I don't know what that is. Will to Live online. Ooh, looks cool. It's like a stalker. Bro, that looks like totally something I would wanna play. That's cool. Why didn't I know about that? Whoa. Early access. And this game is from like... Wait, is it like 6 years in early access? Bro. I mean, it's free to play, so like who cares though, right? It looks cool though. It's like a Metro or Stalker, but MMORPG, right? Will to grind. Yeah, I don't like grinding. Yeah, but the game looks cool. Ah, the dev disappeared. Where was the last update? I don't see. Last update. Wait, like 2 days ago was last update, so that's not a big problem. Okay. Yeah, it looks very cool though. Try this. This Unity developer is crazy. Amazing how good the dogs are. Yeah, who cares about this? That's not even like in a build. Sprite render to tile? What? They are sad about Steam, but more people play on Wiki Play. Oh, I don't know what Wiki Play is. Mostly Russian. Yeah, I mean, like Stalker game, it makes sense. It's like a Russian player would play it. Draw mode on the sprite renderer. Yeah, I'm not even using sprite renderer though. Ah. Oh yeah, that makes sense. In the camera and depth priming. It will be hard to find that. I have no idea what it is. Depth texture on the camera. In the forward renderer. Wait, it's not this one, right? Preloaded shaders, render light probe selection, culling, always included shaders. Post-processing, shadows, lighting, quality, depth texture, downsambling, terrain, SRP, dynamic debug, store actions, opaque, PRB, yeah. SIA, solo queue, opaque, transparent, rendering, path. Oh, depth priming, this is this, right? So auto or forced? Auto I guess should be enough, right? On Android you need performance depth priming only in forced mode. On tile GPUs, which are common to those platforms, depth priming might reduce performance when combined with MSIA. That's why. Okay, so it will work only in forced, but the problems will be with MSIA, right? But is this a problem? Not for me. I might need to like make this too, right? Or no? Yeah, let's try it now. I have a strong feeling it will work now. Oh, I have a really strong feeling it will work now. That's good. Let's try. It works. Oh man, I'm so happy. I'm so happy now. Maybe it doesn't look like this, but I'm really happy now. Okay, let's do it one more time so I can really see if it works. It works so nicely now. Okay, but the highlights look really bad. Like the highlights look really bad. I need to like make the highlights look better. Okay, so why is it like so not pretty. That's a totally different effect than the one I wanted though. Is this like a bad profile or what? Let's go this place. I want to enable this. And bro, this looks good. This looks good. So why it's not working correctly for the... For what? For the NPC cut? Yeah. Yeah, so that worked correctly. So... Yeah, it's like the same profile though. Right? Yeah. It really is. Oh, bro. Okay, let's create another one then. Wait, is it like even a new profile? Is it working even? But like, is that even working? I don't think it is. Maybe it only works when you... Oh, okay, wait, so now for the... Okay, so it's just not working, right? Yeah. No, but it's working for him. Ah, synchronize with the profile, that's why. So now when I press save and I go to NPC cut and now I press highlight, no, and now when I press load, okay, that's what I wanted. Okay, and one more thing for the player object controller, for this guy I want it to be red. Okay, let's test how it works with the highlighted. Yeah, that's good enough. And now when I open the game, please clear the console and start the game. Nice, 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 we have it guys, we have it. Let's go, host, ready, start. We have it guys. We have made it. We have made it. Bam, nice. We have now all the cuts highlighted. No problemo. Okay, but I think I would want only to have like first 10 cuts highlighted, because it's like... Maybe it's actually okay. I don't know what to think, like, where are the cuts? Cuts are like in the place where they because they spawn there. Yeah, I have like wrong spawn points. So listen, when I like jump on another cut, it also like will highlight because the sphere is under me, right? Or is it like in a very specific way? Yeah, so when I just jump on the cut, it will highlight and will like never disappear. Yeah, I don't know if that's really like a problem. I can just leave that in, it's like funny or something. Yeah, the important thing is like if you are for example in a shop, you can just use it and like see where the... Okay, yeah, because of the camera works, you can do stuff like that. The camera should search for the collision and should get closer to the cut when the collision occurs, right? Yeah. But yeah, you are in place like this and you search for the cuts and yeah, you can see the cuts everywhere. Basically. That's what it's really like used for. So right now like I do this and I see, okay, I have a cut in the shop, I can go to it and I can like have sex with it. Wiesz co? Chyba nie potrzebuję nic. Może jakąś czekoladę po prostu. Okay, let's wait for another sex. And bam, yeah. So, we have the scanner now, and the scanner looks pretty good. Now we want to make the sex maybe? Or maybe like fix the jumping, because jumping is pretty laggy. But like, is that even problems that the jump is laggy? I guess it is. And it's an easy fix, so I can like do it with no problems. Where do I go? Okay, so this thing, the add force should be in fixed update. Okay, so Mr. ChatGPT, wait, but where is, this is, okay, so this is like fixed update, right? Yeah, this will need to be like outside of that. And now I can delete all this. Of course I don't want to start coroutine with that. But the perform jump, it will work in the fixed update. So I want to make the fixed update here. In the cut jump, I want to have this. And this is correct, and now I need to add like jump time elapsed. And this is all correct, right? Yes, this looks correct. Let's test it now. Okay, this was the thing. Whoa! That's one hell of a jump, lol. Whew. It's too much force, like 10 times too much force. Okay, jump, 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 jump. Maybe I'll just do it without multiplayer. Jump force, that was crazy jump force. It still looks laggy though, right? It still looks laggy, I think. Yeah, I really think it still looks laggy. Jump force is good maybe, but jump duration should be like lower. Maybe like that. It still looks laggy though. I don't know, that's like still too much force. Well, that was like almost no force now. Maybe let's try like 500. It flies too high, it should be like more forward. And it still looks laggy though. So like 500 but more like forward. Like 500 but more forward. Jump duration is like maybe more free. And we want to, okay, so let's make it like 4. And let's make it jump direction. It's like forward times 2. Or maybe like even times 3. So it's like whoosh. Yeah, right now it's like almost no force up. Bro, it's so hard to make it properly. Maybe like 1.5 then. And I feel like more force maybe at the start, and like, yeah, let's try to make it like maybe 1 and 8. Let's try like this, how it will work. Yeah, it's still too strong and still too laggy and like too high. Like, how is it possible that it's going like so high? Bro. So like 400 and like what, like times 2 maybe then? I have no idea. Everything I check looks like it's really far from being what I want to feel it like. It's because of the controller. Maybe I should like disable the controller for the jump, because it makes it like the torque is like so high, and I think that's the problem really. The drag, of course, I mean the drag. Yeah, so if I disable this, whoa, that's a big jump. Okay, so what I want to do now maybe is like remove it to like 10, jump to 2 maybe, and let's see how it works now. Because the problem is with the controller, but I can just disable the controller for the jump time. I have like no gravity or what? Yeah, there is no gravity. So okay, so I need to like enable gravity and disable the controller, right? That's what I need to do. Well, I'm getting smaller and smaller on the stream camera, but that's what it is, you know, guys. Use gravity, and let me place you this place, and now disable the controller, and now jump. I also need some drag, so now enable the controller, disable the controller. Okay, so that's how I would want it to work. So I need to enable gravity, disable controller, and enable drag. Oh man, that's a lot to do just for some simple jump, right? Oh, so I need the rigid body. Okay, I will make a screenshot of it. So when the camp starts his jump, use gravity through, drag 1, of course end the jump. We need to make it. Oh wait, yeah, that won't work because that will make me like drop to the floor instantly. Okay, I will use the previous way to jump, right? I think the previous way to jump was better in some places. Okay, so let me like open the Git. So I can just use the old way to jump. Old ways are not the best ways, but they are stable ways. So it's like 340, fixed update, enumerator, perform jump. Oh man, why is it like... sometimes I hate Git, sometimes I hate it. Bro, why is Git hating on me today? I know what I can do. I can just delete this. And now when I delete this and I save this in Git, yes, exactly. That's what I wanted. Bam! And we have now alt jump. That's good. That's good. Good stuff, Git. Thank you, Git. Thank you, Mr. Git. Perform jump. Yeah. So at the start, I want to gravity through drag 1. What next? What next? What next? What next? Disable it. When? Wait, in coroutine, when I just want to wait for something, what do I write? Like yield return and time that I want to wait? But I have only like to the normal, right? And I would need like to have a second one too. So like, yeah. Advanced Walker controller, but like cut. Ooh, I like this song. Enabled false. And now enabled true. And now I either drag this to the chat GPT. Insoro utine. Wait for 2 seconds. Give me chat GPT, give me an answer. I need you, chat GPT. Chat GPT, please give me an answer to my question. GPT gave me my answer that I needed, and now I can paste it. It's so cool to program with chat GPT. I don't know what I would do on my own. But it would take me longer, like a lot longer. Oh wait, the song is remixed. Oh, Mr. ChatGPT, please help me with programming. Mr. ChatGPT, help me with programming. Okay, it's not adding the force at all right now. Maybe the jump force is too low. It's not adding the force. But there is add force, jump direction, jump force. Maybe because of the delta time, you need like a lot more jump force because it's like the full jump force for the full jump. Oh ChatGPT, please help me with programming this game. Please help me with programming. Please help me, help me. Okay, so it stops like way too fast and it's still like way too laggy, no? Is it getting disabled even? Yeah, it is. Okay, so everything is good. The force is good, I guess, right? Because now I don't have like... I mean, it's well, like a bit too slow for my liking, maybe. Maybe I could go like this and wait longer, like half a second at least, I think. Or maybe I can just edit the advanced walker controller settings to like give you a bit more air control. Okay, listen, bro. This jump takes way too long. And the force now is too strong. So maybe like this. It's still taking too long. Jump duration. It's not possible, bro. Like, no way that this jump like... What? Why is the jump taking so long? Okay, that's because of that. I can understand that. So like, if I go like this, because first of all it's still laggy. Because I think I should just add one force. I really think I should just add one force. And just do it like that. And just go jump direction times jump force. But what is jump direction? I need to go here again. This is jump direction, but this is ×2. So not that will... And jump force is like way too strong, I think. I will need to set it like 15, I guess, at the start. And now it should work correctly. Yeah, that's not laggy and that's pretty good. Exactly, you can't change directions. That works well. That's what I wanted, so let's say you escape here. And bam, you can do like this. I mean, I hit the collider of these bushes, but like, you know, like you can like really go fast somewhere. Maybe it should be like possible to like even go a bit higher. Yeah, maybe the force should be like a bit bigger. Even like twice bigger. That's too much, I think. Maybe like 22. And I think it's ending too abruptly. No? Yes. But what if I go with air friction? Is that air friction? Let's try setting up to 0. Okay, so it's not air friction. Air control rate maybe? Okay, I destroyed something, I guess. But what I really want to do is to give in this place maybe like 7 seconds then. I mean 0.7 and like 23 maybe of the force. So it like really feels solid. Thanks UBS for subscription. I still think it ends too fast, no? Like my biggest problem is that I like the jump to end like in... Wait, and what if I shouldn't do this after time? What if I maybe should do this like on ground hit maybe? Does that make sense? Because if someone jumps like that, he will have a bit of a problem, right? If he jumps into a wall. But maybe I shouldn't care about the problems of jumping into a wall. If someone jumps into a wall, let's try make it like 2 times longer now. The free fall timing. It's so stupid, by the way, how cat is almost the size of the car. It's more like a dog than a cat. Yeah, it feels way more stupider now, but that's what I wanted. Yeah, that's like a nice little bit of free fall. it's falling like too much down. But with a bit of a collider I can fix that. And right now the jumping looks pretty like yeah, okay, that's what I wanted. That's what I wanted from jumping, really. Because now when I add the animations of like stupid woo cat jumping, it would really work well. It will feel like super stupid, and after the jump you can't like change directions and stuff, and that's good. After, because you of course you have like normal jump, you know, but this is like a super jump. This is like pretty slow jump, and you can do like this. This is like a fast jump. Yeah, I think that's good now. What now? Sex. I guess now we take care about sex. Okay, let's see at the sex things. How is sex going, guys? Cat sex here. Okay, so what do we exactly want from the sex? If we don't have sex in a long time, we want to like leave marks on the floor. How do we do that? We just spawn particles with a long time of decay, right? Yeah, that's an easy thing. Okay, so like let's make a little bit of planning. Okay, so like when we don't have sex for a long time, leave a trail on the floor. Make the slider drain after having sex. When having sex, block moving. When having sex, block moving. And you can't, and no one can have sex with the cat you already had sex. Yes. And maybe the cat that had sex should be like highlighted. Yeah. And highlight the cat for the policeman, and highlight the NPC cat for the policeman cat that had sex. Yes, that's good. That's good. Okay, I can now delete all those Reddit posts I was going through. Halloween shader, Unity tutorial, hello. Yeah, but I don't care about this. That's good. Oh my G, grappling. Grappling. Oh, that's so funny. That's so funny. Oh, that's so funny. Grappling. Okay. Oh man, so what now? Now I maybe go find some chocolate. slider.
From me, boy, you don't wanna know what I did to combat my conscience, left unconscious. All my enemies, take it from me, boy. You don't wanna know where the blood and the carpet came from. I forgave them with that love I gave, and I know I'm not going anywhere that's not downstairs, and I should tell you that I miss you, but I simply just don't care. I miss you. Give me the worst of it all. 'Cause I'm ready for my downfall, and I know I'm not going anywhere that's not downstairs, and I should tell you that I miss you, but I
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. So when we have sex, we empty the sperm slider. That sounds crazy, but it's totally normal. I swear. What's wrong? Okay, yeah. Why teleported me down there?
just don't care. I just don't care.
What's the problem?
I'll smile, know what it takes
Bro, like really? Man.
until the sun goes down and after the night time. Oh yeah, I'll tell you what you wanna hear. Sunglasses on while I shed a tear. Never gonna
Okay, so now we have this sperm slider connected to the cut. And now I guess when we will have sex, sperm will go down, right? Wait, I didn't connect the sperm slider. Oh no, I connected the sperm slider. And what's the sperm time? What's the sperm time? No, I don't see it. Okay. Let's test how the cat sex works now. So now, when the cats have sex, it should like use the sperm up. Whoa, the slider feels like way too fast. Feel speed. Yeah, that should be like, I don't know, like something like maybe that. Bro, that sperm like filled way too fast. What's wrong with that speed? Ah, it's still 0.5. It's too slow now. Maybe like 0.04. 0.04 I mean. Let's find some cat to have sex with. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty fast, but I mean that's okay, I think. That seems okay to me. Okay, so this is like the fill speed for the cat sperm, and that means that we'll be able to like force players to like use their sperm a lot, and now when we don't have sex with other cats, we will leak the sperm on the floor, so we will need like a particle system for that. Let's go to the cat. First the fill speed, and then in the model root we want to create new particle system. Where is particle system? Please give me particle system. Effects, right? Effects, particle system. That's great. Of course our particle system will not look like this. We will pee on the floor with our particle system. This is the place. Like this, right? No, not to the top. Like this. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah. So, first things first. We want collision on every single one of them. We don't want bouncing. We want dampening. Lifetime was no. Type place. I would prefer world. Yeah, that's working. So we will expound like that maybe, I guess. Yeah, that works correctly. And now we don't need to spawn like so many of them. So in the emission we can just go like one maybe. Yeah, this is much more like leaking. This is leaking, you know, literally leaking. Like we leak one by one. Okay. And of course we don't want to leak like, maybe the shape is like too big. It shouldn't be able to like have so much of force. Maybe like 2. Yeah. Start size also should be like way lower, like maybe like this. Yeah, so it's still seeable on the floor, but yeah, the shape is like way, radius is like way too big. Like something like that maybe. Like, can I see the radius please? I want it to be like here maybe. And the radius is like way too big still. So maybe like this. No. Like, oh, the angle. I need to change the angle. Radius is... Okay, I get it. So like this is like 0, 1 and the angle is like what, like 10? Okay, yeah, and that makes sense, I guess, right? Yeah. So what we need now is like, what is this collider here? Is this from like the player? I guess it is. Yeah, there is nothing else here, so it's from the player. So now that our cat is like spraying stuff from its ass, we of course want to render something else. Hey, I have a few ideas of what we could use for that, but I don't know which one is the best. I'll need to like make a little bit of research in the Unity Assets store between the things I have. Do we already have like a publisher of the week? Oh yeah, I was already seeing this one. This publisher of the week is not good. Okay, so like VFX, thank you, and particles, please. So like what can we use? Don't lag, please, thank you. Not confetti, stylized shot and hit. Maybe there will be some hits like this, no? No, I think not. Maybe let me check, because if you have water... but no water. Confetti no, brick items no, fire no, magic effects. Do we have like water magic effect? No water magic effect, right? We have hearts though, it will be useful too. But no water. Yeah, that's not what I'm looking for. Yeah, I don't care about any of this. I don't care. We have water. No water, maybe this. Can I see this? What is this? It kinda looks like water, no, but I see no preview here. It doesn't look that bad. Okay, I'll just check that out. Because it just might be what I want. It just might be what I want. Come on, let's go. Old Legacy, I don't care. Blah 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 blah. Eerie electric explosions. Oh, that was maybe a soul escape. That would be bad. I don't want this, I don't want this, I don't want this. Light and one liquid, yeah, I will try. Magic, aura, bouncing, falling star, snow, flash, poof, smoke, broken heart, cartoon, fire, poison, cloud, shiny item, amin, glows, hit me, no. Nature, leaves, shield, rain, okay, this will sword trails. But wait, what do we have like? Fire, ice, plane, sword trail, but this spiral, so don't care. Text, ooh, texts are cool, no? Demo assets, no one cares. Readme, no one cares. Welcome screen, no one cares. Okay, thank you. Those are the assets. Okay, import. Let's go. JMO assets, cartoon SFX, prefabs. Okay, let's see if this was like a Soul's Escape. Okay, oof, so that wasn't it. That's good. Liquids, water ripples. Yeah, this is good. Water splash. That's also good. Blood, I don't care. Okay, so the water splashes are not that bad. Leaves, cliffs, rain. Yeah, no one cares about this. And text. Oh, no, ignore, please ignore. Ah, why you are making me do this? Wow, frozen. Yeah, that's cool. But what we really want were the liquid ones. So like water ripples and water splash. Where are they? So very far away. Let's bring it closer to us. Okay, so first of all, water splash. I like how it looks, but I don't know if it's that important. Water ripples. So this is just the ripples. So it has like... Okay, so this is just a better version of that. Okay, so like foam. What is foam? This thing here. Okay, so do we need this? I mean, it looks cool, so why not? Drop upward. Okay, so this is like this drop going up. We most definitely don't need this, but I'm not sure. Collision plane, sub ripple. I don't know what this is. And sub upward splash. I also don't know what this is. Okay, this is this. This is nice. Okay, first of all, unpack it. And what do we really want from it to stay? Because after all this, I would like this thing. CFXR water droplet blue anim AB. This is what I would want. One second. This, okay, I will make this like the first one, that's good. Here. Okay, so some settings I will need to find like oh man, okay, I guess I just need to like read all this. Where is my screenshot? Thank you, because I guess I really need to. Okay, so first of all, stretched peer board 0 0 0 1 1 non 0 0 0 max particle size 2 pivot 0.25 no masking, apply custom vertex streams. Yeah, I need this. Position, color, UV. I guess that will be enough. Maybe like UV2. Yeah, I can get like UV2, but that will be enough. Cast shadows, no. Shadow bias, yeah, we can go with this. And default 0, default off, yeah. That's good. So now does it work? Of course it's not working. There should be like animation here? No? No, shouldn't be like this? Yes, this is the place. Grid by tiles. Yeah, give me it. Texture sheet animation. Okay, so like 1 free and whole sheet. Where is it? 1 free and whole sheet. Still not what I wanted. Frame over time. Copy. Paste. Oh, it's really not working well. Mode grid? Yeah. Can I like copy model maybe? Size over lifetime, color over lifetime, emission, collision, sub-emitters, texture emission. Okay, I will try to copy renderer and just paste it. What if I just take this? Okay, and now I take this place, copy component, paste component. Now I take my collisions, copy module, paste module. Okay, now emission. No, wait, is there no shape there? There is. So it's not working with that emission, but that's probably because of this. Yeah, so now it works, but still like no shape. Okay, so I guess that's because of the animation, right? So I like can't really do this correctly. Yeah, but now it's basically the same as my one. Yeah, so maybe like disable this. And maybe we can find something else. Just manually. Maybe like this. Maybe if it would be like transparent a bit, maybe. Maybe emission should be in bursts, no? Maybe like 7. Okay, yeah, that went laggy pretty fast. So the interval is like pretty long. What if we do like this? Why is this interval so long? This is like the shortest interval? No way. Okay, I understand now. I would prefer it to be like a little bit random though. Maybe with probability we can go like 0 and no like 3 and then like 15 cycles. Does that make sense? It kinda makes sense now, yeah, but the collision. Maybe the lifetime is too slow. Ah, why is it like dying on collision? Bro, please let me use this. Thank you. Oh, this particular thing starts to look worse and worse. Why is it disappearing? Because of the stretch billboard? No way, right? Oh, okay. Okay, so I guess another thing is to like have a bigger duration, like I don't know, like 10 seconds, and to have like smaller bits of it, right? Like much smaller. But I figure I can get it like with this, right? And I want like a bigger speed, I guess, so like 5 maybe. Yeah, oh, like on every, yeah. So like make this like 2, but like speed must be much faster. Maybe like 20. Yeah, and 3D start rotation and like totally random. It needs to be random. Where is rotation? Start rotation. Random, yeah, so like between 0 and like this. Yeah, it doesn't really look like water though. Oh, I don't like it. I really don't like it. So like what's working here? Like this ripples. I don't know, bro. Looks shitty. We have something that looks like water. Something that looks like water, please. Underwater FX, but I guess nothing will look like water here, right? Yeah, like what the fuck even is this? Do we have water here? I mean, maybe the unity particles, but maybe like this would be good, you know, like the spots after the rain. But like, is that even working with like URP? Yeah, like maybe just the dots would be perfect, but is it working like with URP though? Yeah, it's not. Yeah, so maybe it should be just like the dots. I kinda like these ones, no? It would need to be though like closer to each other, that's the first thing. Like this. Okay, let's check that out now. Let's check that out. Oh, let's check that out. Yeah, so first of all, that's local. And it shouldn't be local. Where is the simulation world? Yeah. Yeah, so first of all, he needs to be leaking this constantly. And second of all, isn't it like floating in the air? Yeah, so like what is this collision? What is this collision? Like why is it floating in the air? Okay, so like 0-2, it will be okay. 0-2, this is a better collision, and he needs to be like leaking it like all the time. So maybe like also like have it like free. Yeah. Yeah, that's much better, like maybe 15. Like 10. Okay, let's try it. It's looking a bit fast now though, but let's try it. It's crazy. You could definitely find a cut by this. Yeah, okay. That's funny enough, I guess. I mean, I can't see on this kind of terrain. It is there, but it's just like hard to see it. Maybe the policeman would be able to like see it. Yeah, because the main thing you see is like the shadow. But I think that's cool. But maybe I should not render the shadow like off and make it like a bit more visible. I don't think like a bigger would be a nice thing, but like more visible like this maybe. We even like fully like this, just like this. This should be funny, it doesn't need to be like realistic, right? Let's see what happens now. Yeah, so I think we need shadows and we need higher emission. Or maybe make it like different color. Maybe like this would be better. Also maybe we need to change it to something more visible. Like not glowing though. Not glowing, please bro. This looks kinda good, no? But like, is it visible enough? I really look how this looks. I mean, I really like how this looks. Pam pam pam. Para para pam pam pam. Yeah, you definitely can see it. And on this terrain, I mean, I guess it's like really hard to see it if it's only like one by one. Why is it like so hard to see though? Yeah, so like on this terrain it's pretty easy to see. But like on this, it's pretty hard to see, right? I mean, you can still notice it, but it's pretty hard. What if I make it like a little bit bigger, huh? Yeah, okay, now you can see it, yeah. And it's not like, yeah, so the problem was just with how big it is, right? Yeah, now you can see it even in here. Let's see though, like, it like levitates pretty badly though. Like, do we care about that it levitates? I don't think we care about this. Yeah, and now we can like seriously see where the cat is going. That's so good. I mean, of course you can jump and stuff, but I don't think that will help you enough. Best thing you can do is like do something like that. Nice, I like how it looks a lot. I mean, yeah, the colliders are kinda a problem, but that's okay with me. That's really okay with me. Let's go. Let me take a sip of my fuel. Yeah, so don't play this on awake. We want to play it when we want to play it. When we want to play it. When the slider is full. So sperm spawner. Sperm spawner play. And sperm spawner stop. Wait, shouldn't it be like pause though? No, I think stop is okay. Okay, let's see it. Let's see it in action. I don't have sperm connected. Okay, I need to use my sex. Where are cats? Oh, no cats because we're not in multiplayer. That makes sense. Let's go in multiplayer. Let's have sex. Okay, nice. And now I'm not leaking. That's very good. Yeah, nice. I can jump, I can scan. Bro, like, that's so cool. This game is starting to look like a game. We have like such a big progress today, like, wow. I mean, I had some problems, but it's just all going so good. Bro, like, look at the progress. Like, look what we had at the start of the stream. Like, how long it was. We have like a stream timer somewhere? It's like 2 hours 20 minutes. It's crazy. here you go. You want to look at something? You want to look at something? Look, so we have now skills here. Those are of course like temporary graphics. And we have like a sperm slider. So as you can see, I'm like leaving sperm behind me now. Yeah. So I'm like easier to find. You can see like it's like detective, only like slightly seeable, but you can see it. We have like jump, so we can like go fast somewhere. You see. We have like a scanner. Look, so when I want to find someone to have sex with, boom, scan, and I see them. And of course, when I like go to them, I can have like sex. Boom, and my slider is like 0, and I don't no longer like leak sperm. And if you look at this, yeah, and if you look at this sperm slider, I even have like little sperms moving inside.
How did you find it? I mean the sperm...
I asked GPT to give me an image of the sperm.
Nice. So cool.
Yeah. That's so cool, bro. That's so cool. Well, so I think that cut is kinda ready now, no? Bro, it looks so cool. Like it's so fun to jump, and the scanner is like so cool. But yeah, I need to like tell them that the scanner is on left mouse button now. Bam and bam, sex, and bam, we are ready after sex. Because for the sex I will need to wait for like some animations, so I won't do it like right now. But the jumping is so cool. Yeah, so the animations and stuff like this I won't do right now. Maybe I can start working on the policeman, so it like shoots stuff and does stuff like that. Bro, I really like how the scanner looks. And the jumps, I'm also pretty happy with that I was able to make jumps like that. The scanner is just crazy cool, but the jump is also like crazy cool. And the sex should be like coolest, right? But yeah, it's not. At least yet. Maybe after the animations drop. Okay, what happens if I run scanner when I'm high up in the air after jumping? That's also a question, no? Can I like... I don't think so. Okay, let's try just jumping on the drum here. And let's run scanner up in the air. Yeah, it works just as I have thought, okay. Yeah, we need to move the spine, yeah, we need to like do a lot of stuff. But like who cares, really, who cares? Bam, jumping is so cool. I can't wait when we jump with animations, it's gonna be crazy. It's really gonna be crazy. Yeah, okay, I need to focus now. What do I do next? I have a list of things to do, actually. Sorry. Okay, yeah, that makes sense, but I don't know if I should do this right now. This is like a policeman, this is this. Grappling. Yeah, this is also done. Yeah, this is later also. This is also done. And this is also done. Wow. What's going on here? Look what we are doing. We're crazy. Cats are crazy. Can I get on the tree? That's crazy idea, right? Can I get on the tree? That's the question. Yeah, I can. Lol, nice. Heh. What a position. What about the flying balloon though? I think it needs to like stop flying and be in the middle, so the policeman can grapple onto it. Yeah, so right now, truth is, what I need to do is just go into YouTube and write like grappling gun Unity. Yeah, let me disable the music for a second because I will try out a new music. It's not that good.
Amazon? Cause this reminds me of Stop the Attack. Myth game.
Lottie just let it go.
Doesn't have the best.
Don't do that. Battling them, bitch. Disconnected from server. Sucked in.
Collect decompose. The throne lot.
Okay, so I select.
Enjoy the festival.
Okay, so I guess we need to watch it, right? Oh, that will be painful. Oh, wait, it's like Danny's tutorials? No way, that's like a fake channel, right?
Good morning, gamers.
Wait, is that Danny? No way, Danny's tutorials has tutorials?
Hey, what's up, gamers? Welcome back to another terrible tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a grappling gun, much like this one. It's not that hard, it's pretty simple, but a lot of people are asking me, so I'm just going to show you how I did it.
Wow, it's really
yeah,
tutorial
this
from
grappling
Danny.
gun is based around physics and
I didn't
rigid
know
bodies.
he has
So
tutorials.
if you're using the character controller, this is not going to work unless you disable the character controller and then add a rigid body, I guess, when you're grappling, but I'm not going to get into that in this tutorial. So if you want to follow along, you want to use a physics-based movement or just use the one that I created in my previous tutorial to follow along. Okay, that being said, let's get into this. First, you want to go to your player container, go into the camera and the main camera, and then create an empty game object.
But this is not what I want. This is really not what I want. This is also not what I want.
For is grappling, so let's finally make a tutorial on that.
That's also not what I
need to
want.
say that I differentiate between swinging and grappling. Swinging is what Danny showed you in his tutorial, and I'm not doing it that much different, so I would really just be repeating what he said. Grappling, or maybe pulling, however, is what I consider shooting a hook and then pulling yourself exactly to that point.
Yeah, okay, so this guy makes sense.
I don't know if it's too fast, if it's felt so cringy, but there we go. But now we have a rigid body to our that is assigned to our
You can then combine these two abilities by, for example, binding swinging to your left click and grappling to your right click. which allows for a lot of flexibility, air control, and generally just feels awesome. So let's get started with coding the grappling ability. Open
Yeah.
a new script.
Okay, so this guy knows what's up. This guy is good. It's just that? It's so easy? Player movement grappling. Okay, yeah, so for example this, like, I don't have this script. Oh man, okay, yeah, movement states. It's not gonna end well. How does it really work though? Start grapple. So he hits something, grapple upon hit point, execute grapple. Oh, execute grapple. Okay, so he calculates like basically the root. Okay, so he basically calculates the route you want to take to the grapple place, and then you jump to position. But it will work more for walls than for just... Or maybe not, because it's highest point on arc. So like maybe this is going to be the highest, or maybe not. PM, what is PM? Don't tell me like PM is player movement grappling. Yes, it is. Oh man. So this tutorial is a bit of a scam. Let's jump to position. Yeah. Oh man, that's not good. I mean, maybe, yeah, he kinda calculates like a projectile. But I don't want that. Okay, so what if I do like unity Vergir like attack on Titan. Bro, like I want trust the tutorial. I remember seeing a tutorial like this. Is it like deleted or what? And this looks good. Parkour maybe?
So once you do that, and then change, we can move and we can also grapple, as you can see.
That's not what I want.
We kick it off with a good old Eren Jaeger. Evet, Mikasa.
That's also not what I want, I guess. That's also like swinging, not grappling. That's grappling, that's definitely grappling. Okay, but if we connect like these two tutorials,
So hi guys and welcome.
Call it grappling, and let's start with the very
because he has a pretty cool animations for the grappling, right?
Position. Then we're
So I don't
I'm
want
making an
this.
Attack on Titan fan game using the Unity game engine, and this is my progress so far. Actually, I managed to get it all sounding pretty good using Audition. And here's the final product of this week of work. I'm pretty proud of how much I got done, but it still has obvious issues. The Titan's behavior is a bit strange, and if you're near the ground, it basically...
Welcome to this new video. I'm gonna be showing you real quick what this is about. As you can see, I'm using two grappling guns actually, and you might have noticed that this game is actually from Attack on Titan. So as you can see, we have two grappling guns, and I'm using a crosshair to aim at the point where I want the grapple gun to create the line, and then throw myself into that point. Okay. Now the thing here is it's quite difficult
This is
to
grappling.
aim at the objects in the world unless the objects are pretty big. But if you have smaller objects, or let's say small cubes on the air, then that would be really difficult to aim. It's very easy to do this actually. In my case, I'm using a raycast, okay, to draw the line, and then
This
it's
is
going to
definitely
the
grappling.
point with the raycast line, okay.
Let's see how does he does it. If physics raycast, blah 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 blah, hook position, blah 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 blah, yeah. Blah 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 blah, yeah, what's next? I know about all this, but how do you hook? Where is this tutorial? This. Okay, so I think he deleted it. Oh man. It's not good.
To the point that we hit. So let's go back into Unity, and here you can go to the player and just assign a... It's actually colliding with the game object, so set it to true.
Yeah, because I don't really care about aim assist. But yeah, this is the grappling hook, but is he showing like how he made it? I don't think so. Yeah, makes sense. But basically what happens here is just like you play the animation. And just go to the point. So just simply move the player. Oh, stop autoplay. So you just move the player to the position of your point, like just add force. Yeah, just add force, maybe like even make some trails. I mean, sorry, like rails. So we go on rails to the spot. That could work, no? Okay. We need to find some power. And I guess that means we will make the grappling hook on our own. Bruch. Okay. But I want to know how did he make the animation.
So let's implement that once you reach the target and the cooldown gets activated. Okay, so let's implement that. In void update and then go in the direction you're looking, which is cam.forward. If the ray didn't hit anything, just set the grapple point to max distance, simulate the grappling hook and renderer component to it. Now set the positions to 2, the width of the line to something like 0.1, and you can also create a material, give it a color, and then assign it to the line renderer. Now, as a child of your grappling gun object, create an empty game object for the gun tip and drag it wherever you want the line to start. And of course, we're going to set the positions of the line renderer in the grappling script. So create a reference to the component, set the values to something like this, and hit play. Okay, now you can right-click a wall and the grappling hook correctly appears, which also means that the raycast is working. And if you miss your hook, it just shoots at max distance in the air as it should. With that done, let's move on to coding the actual player movement. First, we want to freeze the player for a moment while the
But I want the animation, not player movement.
So head over to your relatively direct path when grappling. However, if you bump it up a bit, Congrats, you just created a fully working grappling ability. However, there are still a few visual changes you could implement in order to make the ability look better.
How do I do this?
The first thing would be to add an FOV effect when adding the force. I already showed you how to do this in the dashing tutorial, so just quickly open the video and skip to this timestamp. If you've created the function, go to your player movement script, create a reference to your camera and a float for the grapple FOV. And in set velocity, just apply the FOV effect and reset it back to normal in the reset restrictions function. Also, you can beautifully animate your grappling hook by following along with this tutorial by Affix.
Okay, that's cool. So I just need to like watch another tutorial to learn this. Yeah, that's cool. Like, when did they started to freaking tell you in tutorials, watch this tutorial to do this, what I want? Yeah, if you want freaking grappling hook, go watch this tutorial. Great.
Create an awesome rope animation like this. Well, stick with me and I'll show how. Where you already have rope animation your own is super simple. If this video
Bro, I hate it, like you make such a long video, but where is the fucking animation?
script here, drag in the grapple gun script.
I have no idea if I
and
have
call
ever
this
watched like
script
such a big
grappling
tutorial.
rope.
Like, yeah, like great tutorial, like setup coding for fucking 10 minutes without showing you what works now, without showing you like what, yeah, like bro. Such a bad tutorial, what the fuck? Grappling rope. Is that grappling rope or is that spring? Instead of watching a tutorial, I will just freaking check myself like what's in his scripts because it's like way faster when listening to this idiot. Set damper. What is a damper? This is only like a constructor though, right? Grappling rope, line renderer. Quality, okay, this seems like an animation. Draw rope. Okay, this is it. And this is in late update. LERP Ganti position, current grapple delta offset, and offset is wave. Okay, so we're basically using like a wave function here. Yeah, okay, I can do this. I need to go to the toilet, so I'll be right back, guys.
Let's go. Where you already have the grappling gun strip, so just attach a grappling rope strip here, drag in the grappling gun strip, and I'll give you the good found values for it. So for quality I'll say 500, that's pretty performant, it doesn't actually take that much perform for the computer for 100, then for damper 15, for strength 800, for velocity 15, for weight count 3, weight height 1, and for the effect curve we actually want to open the curve editor as you can see here. Just click any of the curves here, I'll just say this, and the curve appears in the center of the screen, but it's actually not done. We want to edit the keys so that the value is 0, true value 0, like that. And now for the final touch, just drag this over so there's this bump-like formation. So at the end points of the grappling rope it doesn't get affected at all because they are 0, and at the height it gets affected by this arbitrary number. So that's good, just save that like that, and you are done. That's the grappling rope. So just click play, you're here, and you can see that the rope is grappling.
Yeah. But that means that the spring is important, right? Like, what's with the spring?
I don't know what to say, but I think it's pretty cool. And you can of course affect or change how big these waves are, so you can see that
Okay, wait, it's creating new spring. But like, why does it have an update? Ah, okay, I use update here, yeah. So I guess I really need it. Spring, yeah, let's go. And grappling gun somehow starts it. Okay, so grappling gun gets grappling position. Okay, at least that makes sense. That actually makes a lot of sense. So I'll just need to use this in my player controller. And it should work. Oh.
Let's go. Time to swing your...
Works, man.
Okay, I'll just yoink that too. Bro, it kinda works. I really wasn't expecting that. That's cool as hell. I mean, that's cool that it works so easily. Well, I don't like this character controller, to be honest. I like the grappling, but character controller is not the best. But yeah, in terms of streaming, I think guys that will be it for today.